Today we're going to learn the pencil cut skirt. Measurements needed. Number 1, waistline, hips, bust point distance, and length. Things needed, we need tape measure, pattern paper, the assuming measurements, marker, hip curve, L square, pins with head, and wait. Okay. So, the first step, we need to make a perpendicular line. Sa book, madalas nating makikita ang perpendicular line. Ganito yon. Using your L square, we need to make up allowance. On the top is 2 inches. From the edge of the pattern paper, you measure 2 inches vertically, and then on the left side, we need 4 inches just for the allowance back. Okay, and then we need to line it like this. This is what we call perpendicular line. Okay. After that, first measurement natin ay waistline. Assuming measurement is 7 and 1/2. So from the corner of perpendicular line here, we take the waistline measurement, which is 7 and 1/2. So from there, from the corner, measure 7 and 1/2. See this, from the corner, measure 7 and 1/2. O, wag mo munang tatanggalin yung tape measure mo because we need to take the bust point distance, which is 3 and 1/2, like this. 3 and 1/2, this will be the dart. Dart is 1 inch. Yan, 1 inch. So, the width of the dart is 1/2 inch. Both sides. Yan. Measure pa natin another 3 and 1/2. And the dart length ay 5 inches for the back and 4.5 for the front. Okay. So, after the waistline is 7 and 1/2. We have to add 1 inch. So, it will become 8 and 1/2. Kapalit ng dart na 1 inch. So, 7 and 1/2 plus 1 inch is 8 and 1/2. Okay, next. Next is hips, which is, let's say, 10. 10 from the corner here, from the corner, vertically, we have to measure 7 inches to locate the hips. Yan. Ito na yung 7 inches. So, we'll line this using your short ruler. Like this. Line. Okay. Sulatan natin. Ang name nito ay hips. Letter H na lang. Ang sukat ng hips natin ay 10, no? So, here is 10. Exact lang. Walang additional like the waistline because the waistline has darts, diba? Okay, next is length. From the corner again, From the corner, vertically, we will measure 21. And 2 times we will measure to see, to be sure that it is straight. So, 21. Ayan na. Then, line. Any ruler that is a straight line. So, line like this. Okay. So, this one is length. So, L. Ayan. For back. Back is a straight line. So, the measurement, kung ano ang measurement ng hips, like this, it is 10. The same measurement on the length or hem. 10. Yan. So, connect natin yung hips and the hemming here. Connect ng straight line. Yung hita natin ay straight lang. Straight line. So, ang ating gagamitin ay straight ruler. Sorry, dapat na dito. Okay. Then, shape natin yung hip using your hip curve. This is the hip curve. Connect natin yung waistline down to the hips. Yan. Can you imagine your sides? Ito yung hips. Ito yung leg natin o yung upper leg. Now, because this is just a straight line, kaya gagawin natin less ng 1 inch. Yan, lagyan natin ng less 1 inch for the pencil cut. Ganito. I-line na natin from the hips down to the hemming, less 1 inch and then line. Yan. Tube na siya o pencil. Kaya tinawag na pencil skirt kasi tingnan mo yung pencil. Diba meron siyang tasa? O ito yung pencil. Ito yung tasa. Nag-minus tayo. Yan, nag-minus para sexy. Ganon din ito. Hips, nag-minus tayo ng 1 inch. Yan yung pencil skirt. Pencil cut skirt. Okay? Now, we will connect the darts. Yung dart ay tigwa 1/2. Ito yung kanyang center. Okay? Front muna is 4 1/2. So, connect natin. Yan. Connect natin yung dart ng front. And then, the back one is 5 inches for the back. I-connect natin from 1/2 there up down to the point ng 5 inches. Point natin ng 5 inches. Yan. Okay. Para meron tayong less sa waistline, i-fold natin itong dart para magkaroon ng shape. Just like this, o fold mo like this. Pero lalagyan mo syempre ng dart niya, yung point niya dito. Ayan o, parang pinaka-puwet. Ayan. Tsaka natin, line natin yung waistline. Ito yung original line. Diba? Ito yung original line from the corner to the waistline. I-pwesto natin ang ruler, straight line, and then line while the tux or the dart is folded like this. Yan. So, this one, delete na natin yan. X natin, ha? Ito na yung back. Sulatan natin ng back. Gagawa naman tayo ng front. Ang front, kasi may puson, so magle-less tayo ng half inch. From the corner, down ka ng half inch. Lagyan natin ng sulat. Yan, half inch lang. Less half inch. Kita ba? Yan. And then, from the half inch, going to the waistline. Ayan. Kita, no? So, lagyan natin ito ng name. This is the front. Okay. So, now we have the back and front waistline, the hips, and the length. This straight line is back. Now, we will going to make a front hemline or length, front length. We have different size of additional. Like for the slim, sulat natin slim. Yung wala pang puson is plus half inch. Yung chubby, yung may puson is plus 1 inch or up to 1 1/2. This in this case 40, so we will use the 1 inch. So we will add 1 inch on the hemming. This is for tummy, no? Tummy, yung puson. So I need the green one. Green is for the front. And then, i-connect natin yung side, you know, the pencil cut line to the front. Yung may additional na 1. Ayan, o. And, okay. So, pangalan nito ay length of front. Basta may additional na 1 inch or half inch. Ito, lagyan natin ng pangalan. 1 inch. Okay. So, we're done with the body. Now, this line is both back and front. Write natin front and back line, back line. This line, ha? Okay. Pero yung back with zipper, ang allowance ng zipper is 1 1/4. So, lagay natin dito 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, then 9. Up to here is the line for allowance ng 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Ang slit natin, we have a slit. Para makalakad, we will make a slit. Slit is about say 18, no, this is 21, so 14. Yan, safe na yan. Para makagawa tayo ng allowance, measure natin ng 1 1/2 up, at saka doon natin i-curve ang ating allowance up to this is the slit, o pangalan is slit. Up ka ng 1 1/2 for the curve. Ang slit length natin ay 2 1/2 lang. Ayan, 2 1/2 is enough for the allowance of slit. Tapos, i-curve natin yung katapat ng 1 and 1/2. I-curve natin yan, no? Yan. Dito ka magka-cut. Cut. Yan. This line, outer line is to be cut. Lagay din natin dito, cut. Yan. This inner line is sewing line. O, isulat natin. This line is sewing line. Okay. This side, this line is both for back and front. Sides and back, the same line is for the back and front. But on the hem, the straight line is for the back, and the one with additional of 1 inch is front. Yan, green is front. Okay? And the waistline, upper line is back. The lower line is front kasi meron tayong less na half inch. Kaya makikita mo. Now, the allowance for the zipper, our zipper is 7. So, like this, here is 7. Zipper. Zipper. Ayan. Okay. Now, we need to separate. Take note natin. Note. Separate the pattern, magkakaroon ka ng tatlong pattern. One is master pattern. Itong unang ginawa natin. The number 2 is front pattern and back pattern. So, we're going to have the 3 patterns. This one is called the master pattern. So, you're going to separate the front and back. You're going to have 3 patterns. Okay?